have some urgent news to share that concerns the safety of residents in 11 states along the River Benue. The National Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, has issued a critical alert, and we're here to break it down for you. At the forefront of this situation is Mustapha Ahmed, the Director General of NEMA. In a recent National Emergency Coordination Forum meeting held in Abuja, he dropped some serious information. According to Ahmed, the opening of the Lagdo Dam in Cameroon poses a significant threat to several states in Nigeria. The states on high alert include Adamawa, Taraba, Benue, Nasarawa, Kogi, Anambra, Enugu, Edo, Delta, Rivers, and Bayelsa. These regions are at risk of a severe flooding due to the release of water from the Cameroonian dam. Ahmed emphasized that this meeting was prompted by an alert from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs warning about the planned release of water from the dam in Cameroon. To put things into perspective, Cameroon is currently opening the dam at a rate of 200 cubic meters per second. That's a whopping 18 million cubic meters of water daily. For those of you who love statistics, here is a bit of data. The flow level of the River Benue, as recorded by the Nigerian Hydrological Service Agency, NISA, gauging station at Makurdi, stood at 8.97 meters as of August 25, 2023. Compare that to 8.80 meters on the same date in 2022, and it's clear that water levels are rising. But it's not just the River Benue causing concern. NISA reports that the flow level of the River Niger system, especially at Niamey, Niger Republic, remains stable at a normal level of 4.30 meters. Furthermore, inland dams like Kainji, Jebba, and Shiroro are experiencing consistent flow regimes. In light of this imminent threat, the Director General of NEMA is urging stakeholders to act swiftly. Evacuation plans need to be put into action immediately to ensure the safety of residents in these vulnerable areas. The government is also committed to working alongside partners to minimize the impact of this potential disaster. And there you have it, the urgent situation unfolding in 11 states along the River Benue. Stay safe out there, and let's all work together to protect our communities. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, and subscribe so you can get notifications.